Hello friends, I am going to teach about was and were. Was ఉండెను, were ఉండిరి. These words express past state of being. గతకాల స్థితిని తెలియజేస్తాయి. Number 1. Was is used for I, he, she, it, that, and this, and these are called singular numbers. Example: I was a teacher. Number 2, he was a doctor. Number 3, she was a lawyer. Number 4, it was beautiful. Number 2, were, about were. Were is used for we, you, they, these, and those. And these are called plural numbers. Example: we were friends. Number 2, you were boys. Number 3, they were students. Note: గతములో ఉండిరి ఉండెను అని తెలియచేస్తాయి. Hello friends, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.